Welcome back to Crypto Spaces, back with another horse update. Now, for those of you that don't know, remember, every coin that is launched through Zora, every creator coin or every creator that activates a token or launches on Zora or starts posting on Zora, each of those posts becomes a Zora, right? And they are paired to Zora. So when Zora does well, so does the creator coins, right? So does the post, right? So say for example, you activate your Zora, you start posting on Zora, or the base app, you start getting paid to do so. You have a coin at 10k market cap, and Zora goes up 20 to 30%. It's more likely than not that your coin will be up. If you have 10k market cap creator coin, more likely than not your coin will be up as well, right? If Zora moves up 20 to 30%, right? And since your coin is smaller, it's more than likely may outperform the Zora, right? So that's why I'm bringing horse to you guys. Now, I've mentioned Jesse before, right? Let's take a look at Jesse. Jesse is the founder's creator coin, the founder of Base, the person that created Base. This is their creator coin, 5.2 million market cap. As you can see, Zora is up right now. Zora is up in the past 24 hours, up 12%, 12.5%, right? And Jesse is up 8.4%, right? Jesse is a good buy to have as well. It could get you could get a few X's, if not, massive X's out of this, right? But it has a ton of liquidity. So, if you want a safer bet in the Zora ecosystem, Jesse's one you could look into. Another one is Jacob, right? Jacob Horn is the founder of Zora, right? This is Jacob's Zora on screen right now. This is Jacob's Zora on screen, as you can see, right? So Jacob / Zora, all of these are paired with Zora. So when Zora starts to move up, so do these projects, right? And it's up 12.3% in the past 24 hour, right? So this is the founder of Zora's creator coin, right? The reason why I'm bringing horse to you guys, right? If you search horse on Dex Screener, right? It's not on CoinMarketCap, not on CoinGecko, but there is a community there, right? And but the thing I want to point out, the reason why I'm bringing horse to you guys, right, is because horse is up 22% in the past 24 hours. I saw with Jesse being up 8%, and Jacob is the creator of Zora's coin, being up 12%. Look at horse right now. Horse is up 23%. Horse is up 23%. So out of all the Zora coins, right, horse is up the most right now. Because Jesse's the top in market cap. But which one is outperforming right now? Horse is, right? And horse is the founder, Jacob's horse, right? It became a meme. I could search it up on X and show you guys. For example, if you type in horse / Zora, you'll see people making horse memes 23 hours ago, right? October 24th from Banterlytics. As you can see, free soda pops, no launch from Pokemon. The U.S. Department of Energy, how it feels to invigorate America's beautiful clean coal industry. Jacob Horn posting horse as well, right? So the meme, or his horse, became a meme, right? The picture he took of his horse became a meme. Right here, my horse is reaching the deep fry stage on Instagram. What being redacted feels like, right? This is Jacob Horn. This is the founder of Zora, co-founder of Zora, right? Co-founder, founder, same thing. He's just one of the founders. My horse meme is reaching the deep fry stage on Instagram. So the horse meme has gone viral. Remember, this is a picture of his horse that he tokenized, and it became a meme. It became viral. So this is a high risk play, obviously, but it's outperforming the other Zoras, right? It's up 23%. And that's why I say 1 million of these tokens could go very far when Zora starts to massively run, right? Just 1 million tokens. I could see this going to 100 mil market cap. I could really see that being the case, right? And to be conservative, maybe 50 mil market cap. So 1 million tokens at 50 mil market cap would be 50k. That's why people trade memes, so that for the high risk, high reward, right? Bet, right? So it's at 449k market cap right now. So all you need is $450 to get 1 million tokens. If you want to invest $1,000, you could do so. Obviously, never invest more than you're willing to lose. But I think you should just get 1 million of these horse tokens, because when Zora starts to run, we already seen Zora's up just 12% right now, or 11% right now, and horse is up 22%. So it's double the percentage gains, right? Just because Zora started to pop, it's double the percentage gains, right? So if Zora, like we've been predicting, goes to 5 to 10 billion market cap, how high will horse go? I remember when Pepe went on his run to 10, 11 billion market cap, there were so many memes that got to billions. Horse could potentially get to, you know, 200-300 mil market cap, something crazy where a lot of people don't expect, because it's peer to Zora. So as long as Zora does great, so will the horse meme, right? So yeah, some exposure to this, just $450 I think will go far. And you know, nice little gem I mentioned previously on the channel, mentioning it again. As always, none of this is financial advice. Thanks y'all for tuning in. I'll catch you in the next one.